Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn more about acceleration. Suppose a car from stationary is moving ahead. So what we are getting? We are getting jerk at the back, and when it stops, we are getting a jerk forward. Another example: when the car turns left, we are getting a jerk toward the right. It's happened in these all things. Acceleration is going on, and in every other cases the acceleration is involved, whether we are in bus or bike. So what is the acceleration now? The acceleration is change in velocity. Got it? Acceleration is change in velocity. In each cases there is change in velocity, that's why we are getting acceleration. So it's compulsory for acceleration to have change in velocity. Let's take two example. One, suppose a car is moving at a constant speed of 80 km an hour. In second example, an aeroplane is moving at a constant speed of 1000 km an hour. In both these cases, is there acceleration exist? Yes? Say answer. No, in none of these cases acceleration does not exist, because the reason is the speed is constant or the velocity is constant. Since velocity is constant, no acceleration will take place because there is no change in velocity. So acceleration doesn't mean high speed. Some people are in wrong concept. They understand high speed means acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration means change in velocity. For any acceleration, there must be change in velocity, and velocity is what? Speed plus direction, and velocity is a vector quantity. Let's take another example. A car is moving from initially 0 km per hour to 20 km per hour. The speed increases in 5 seconds. What is the acceleration of here? What the change in velocity we have to calculate. The change in velocity was from 0 km per an hour to in 5 seconds to 20 km per an hour. This was the increase in speed. So take the example. A thing is moving from 30 km per hour, then it take right turn, and again it moving straight. Will there is acceleration over here? Yes. Yes, there is acceleration over here because there is change in speed, there is change in velocity. Sorry, there is change in velocity. Change in direction is already happened, so there is change in velocity. Change in velocity is acceleration. What constant is over here is speed, but change in direction give change in velocity. That's why acceleration is involved over here. So you got the concept of acceleration, I think. So now how acceleration is calculated? Acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. So acceleration in a formula can be written as change in velocity upon time. Let's take the example from initial speed 0 to final speed in time t. So acceleration can be written as final value velocity minus initial velocity upon time. Let's take an example. An object moved from A point to B point in 5 seconds and acquired the speed of 10 meter per second from 0 till 10 meter per second. What is the acceleration over here? So we have to write the formula V in final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. What is the final velocity? Initial velocity 0 meter per second indicated by U, and final velocity indicated by V equal to 10 meter per second, and time taken is 5 seconds. So 10 minus 0 meter per second minus 0 meter per second upon 5 second is equal to 10 meter per second upon 5 meter per 5 meter, sorry, 5 second is equal to 2. So 2 is the acceleration, but what is the unit? Unit of acceleration is meter per second upon second. That is the meter per second, and this second, the second involved in that is a velocity, and the time will come in denominator and they will multiply, will become meter per square, second square, sorry. So this is the unit, meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. So what is the acceleration over here? 2 meter per second square. Acceleration is a vector quantity because acceleration involve velocity and they are in same direction. They are in same direction. We will continue our lecture further for types of acceleration. Thank you.